Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you one of the tricks you can use to gain access to my Revit tutorial and Lumion tutorial masterclass for free without paying a dime. So what we are going to do is I'm going to leave a link to the description of this video. If you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page like this, and go towards the end of the page and you see where you can enter your email address and your name and hit grant me access. Once you have done that, you will be able to receive my mail, and before the end of this month and once in a while, I am going to give you instruction on what to do to gain access. So make sure you receive my mail. If you are using Gmail normally sends some mails to promotion folder. If you look at this is a promotion folder, and you can see this is my mail in a promotion folder. I don't have control over this. So if Gmail has sent my mail to promotion folder like this, you may not see it. So to be able to see it, what you need to do is, if you see any of my messages in promotion folder, click on it like this and drag it. Can you see the way I'm dragging it? And drop it in primary folder. Once you do that, is you will, from that moment you'll be able to receive it in your inbox direct. Okay, you see, you click on yes, so that any moment from that time you will be able to see the messages in your inbox direct, and you will know what to do to gain access to my tutorials for free. Okay, if you are using phone, all you need to do is to go to your promotion folder like I am now, and you see my message. Simply select my message like this, and you will see three dots on the top right corner of your phone. Click on it, then you will see move to, then click on move to. You are going to see primary folder, primary. Simply select primary, and from that moment you will be able to receive my mail directly into your inbox so that you don't miss out. All right, see you on the other side. Bye.